Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see another interesting topic. So in this video, we are going to see group by class. So first of all, what is group by? It's a powerful function. It's used to group the rows from the table that have a same values in one or more specified columns. So basically what it's saying, so if you want to group the rows and then if you want to perform any aggregator on that values, so we can use group by class. So it will group the only the same values. If you have a same value in the specific column, and it will group that rows. So it's most of the time it's used with aggregate functions to perform the calculation on the group data. So let's see the today example. So we have a table from the employee table. In this employee table, we have selected the employee ID, first name, department ID from the employees table. So if you see the data, we have employee ID. For example, we have employee 101. His department ID is 1. So on 107 employee, he also employee department ID is 1. So we need to find out how many employees are there for each department. So you need to count that employee for each department. So you need to group the data for employee department day ID and then find count that employee count. So we will get the required output. So let's see how to use that. So basically you want to find the group the data. So you have to specify, so select the columns from employees table and then you need to specify the group by this is the syntax, and then you need to specify the column which column you want to group the data. So based on the which column you want to group the data, I want to group the data based on the department ID. So now I want the details of how many employees are there for each department, right? So just each department, so it will be unique ID. We are going to group the data. So now I want to find out how many employees are there for each ID. Now you just count. So and specify which column I want to use. I'm going to use employee ID. So if you run the query now as okay as count of employees. So just run the query. So in department 1, we have two employees. In department 2, we have three employees. In department 3, we have three employees. And department 84, we have two employees. So yeah, this is the usage of group by. Basically, what it will do, group the data that have a same value in the specified column. So it's often used for the aggregation to calculate the on calculation on the group data. So let's go to the today challenge. So we have a department table. So you need to find out based on the office ID how many department ID we have. Basically, you need to group the data office ID and the count the number of departments we have. Okay, so in that office ID, how many departments we have? So that's a requirement. So if you know the answer, please write the answer in the comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.